Sweden, the land of innovation, sustainability, and a lifestyle that blends modernity with nature. Did you know that Sweden is the birthplace of the three-point seatbelt and the pacemaker? These groundbreaking inventions highlight Sweden's commitment to improving lives, a philosophy mirrored in its welcoming policies for expats. In this video, we'll explore the various visas U.S. citizens can apply for to live in Sweden, their benefits, and the top 5 destinations that make Sweden a dream country for expats. Sweden's work visa is ideal for U.S. citizens with a job offer from a Swedish employer. To qualify, the employer must advertise the job in the European or European Economic Area for 10 days before offering it to a non-EU citizen. You'll need an employment contract, proof of salary meeting Swedish standards, and health insurance coverage. For U.S. citizens aiming to study in Sweden, the student visa requires proof of acceptance into a Swedish university, sufficient funds to cover tuition and living expenses, and health insurance. The student visa also provides an opportunities to work part-time during studies and the ability to apply for a residence permit to stay after graduation. If you have family members legally residing in Sweden, you can apply for a residence permit for family reunification. You'll need proof of your relationship, the family member's residence in Sweden, and financial support documentation. Entrepreneurs and freelancers can apply for the self-employment visa. Requirements include a detailed business plan, proof of sufficient funds for personal and business expenses, and evidence of market potential in Sweden. Sweden is considering a digital nomad visa for remote workers in certain industries. While details are still in development, this visa could open doors to live and work in Sweden without a traditional employer. Stay tuned for updates. Here are the key steps for all visa applications. First, by submitting an online application through the Swedish Migration Agency. Second, provide your biometric data at a Swedish consulate. Finally, show proof of financial support and health insurance. Then, be patient, because waiting for a decision can take several months. Here are the top 5 expat destinations in Sweden. Sweden's capital, Stockholm, is a hub of culture, history, and innovation. With its world-class museums, stunning archipelago, and thriving job market, it's a favorite among expats. Located on the west coast, Gothenburg offers a laid-back lifestyle with a strong maritime heritage. It's also known for its sustainable urban planning and welcoming community. Malmo is a dynamic city with a multicultural vibe. Its proximity to Copenhagen makes it a gateway to Europe, while its parks and eco-friendly initiatives make it ideal for families. A historic university town, Uppsala is perfect for students and academics. Its rich history and small-town charm make it a unique destination for expats. Vasteras combines industrial innovation with natural beauty. It's a great choice for those seeking career opportunities while enjoying outdoor activities like boating and hiking. Before we wrap up, here are a few fascinating facts about Sweden. Did you know that Sweden is the largest exporter of pop music per capita, with ABBA and other artists gaining global fame? It's home to the world's first ice hotel in Gothenburg. Sweden's right to roam law, allemansrätten, allows everyone to explore nature freely. Swedish people consume an average of 20 million kanelbullar or cinnamon buns annually. So, which fact surprised you the most? Sweden offers a unique blend of modern, traditional, and natural beauty that makes it a top choice for U.S. expats. Whether you're drawn by career opportunities, world-class education, or a desire to experience Scandinavian living, Sweden has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, Hej då!